Alright, this is my SIG Edge 540, 35%. It's 8 feet long, so I'm standing quite a ways back here and I still don't even have it completely in shot. It's a pretty big airplane. It has a 100cc twin. Inside here, let's see if I can get this off with one hand without breaking something. You can see my wing is still back there, just not finished yet. It's got a Smart Fly power expander system in it. It's got a turbo regulator. It's got its own built-in fan and stuff on it. It runs 2 lipos into that. So even if I have one lipo fail, it will just switch to the other one. Actually, it draws power off both lipos, but it can cancel one out. This is a power expander board with my Hitec Optima receiver in the middle. So basically what that does is makes it so the servos don't don't pull any power off of that receiver. The receivers only send a signal out to this board, and this board is run with a 15 amp power supply. As you can see, the cables go in on this side right here for the battery, right in here, and go through the regulator, and then it supplies the board through 2 cables here and here, and then the board has a regulator built inside of it to power the receiver separate again, so everything's isolated. It works really well. You can put 4 servos for every 3 servos, I guess. 3 servos, a couple of them have 4 spots, but anyways, 3 connections for every channel of the receiver. And then there's the optical ignition system cutoff. That black cable coming out of it is a fiber optic cable, so there's no connection between this setup here and the ignition, which is up in the front of the airplane. And that's the other part. It's hard to see, but it's right up in there, the other part of the optical kill switch. I mount my batteries up in the front here beside the fuel tank, just for balance. And it's running digital Hitec servos. There's one here that runs pull on the rudder. There's one servo each elevator half, and each aileron has 2 servos. So that's just a quick look at my SIG Edge 540 100cc twin. It's just something else I wanted to say. I've started another YouTube channel for the flying club that I belong to. It's called mmfastonyplain. I've posted some little videos of some of the guys flying. It's nothing real fancy or anything, but I'm just trying to get it started and get some of the guys in the club encouraged to maybe post some videos and make something of it. So if any of you guys are interested, I'll put a link in the description below, and maybe you can visit it and subscribe to it if you think it's worthwhile. I'd appreciate it. And that's it for this video. Thanks.